When the facts bend reality, this is beyond plausible.
Imagine we are time travelers at a point 400 million years ago. One of the primitive plant species is ferns, covering the ground densely. And now, 100 million years have passed. The dominance of ferns is ending, making way for trees with leaves, trunks, and broad canopies beginning to appear. A new era begins, the era of tropical rainforests. Picture us 60 million years ago. At this time, dinosaurs have ended their reign and are on the brink of extinction. Insects, creatures that have lived here since before, continue to thrive strongly. The forest is a community of plants competing for nutrients and light. Countless other life forms gradually appear. Here, there are many types of fungi, plants, and trees, creating the power for a world in constant motion. Insects move everywhere in search of food. Sunlight, humidity, and vapor from the sun begin to increase, signaling the appearance of clouds during the day. And every afternoon, rain falls. Tropical rainforests across the planet exist thanks to their warmth and humidity. Each day, as a new day begins, the sun radiates energy and heat around the equator. Thus, daily, the sun and water always nourish the lush tropical landscape, gradually forming and changing every aspect of life. And there are still 50 million years or more before humans first appear. Go out and enjoy the taste of the air. These are the creatures of the night forest. There are many different species and they operate simultaneously like daytime foragers. Dawn is when the night gives way to another world. No seasons, only light and darkness, rain and sun. Week after week, month after month, from 1 year to hundreds of millions of years. During this period of development, the largest solitary living organism appears. Trees, the structure of the forest. Many times, herds of dinosaurs have trampled on their roots. Previously, this was a diverse part of thousands of different flowering plant species. But why are there so many shapes and colors like this? How were they formed to be so complex? Many organisms blend in with their surrounding habitat. How do they camouflage? Every complex body originates from simpler forms. All life forms share a common ancestor that appeared earliest on Earth. Each individual, through random variations, differs from their parents. Only occasionally do these variations provide a slight advantage for survival. Under evolutionary pressure, these advantages tend to thrive. While other forms gradually disappear, they are unsuccessful. And after millions of generations, small changes appear step by step, and it takes much time for evolution to be recognized. Life can change miraculously like daily events. All evolution happens this way. Now it's 20 million years ago. The number and diversity of species increase rapidly, filling every corner of the forest. These lands will one day be named as Borneo, Sumatra, Java, Queensland, Thailand, Myanmar, India, Madagascar, Congo, Cameroon, Amazon. The Central Isthmus of America, they are covered by these lush forests. Diversity, if not affected by major upheavals, would be much richer. Birds, along with dinosaurs, diverse in many shapes and sizes. They eat various fruits and flowers. Carry seeds and pollen throughout the forest. The age of mammals has arrived. Bats are the only flying mammals. They navigate by echolocation and see with sound. Lemurs and other primates observe their surroundings with large and keen eyes. Hours, days, decades, years, and centuries. Time passes, everything remains the same. Individual trees can live for hundreds of years or longer, then eventually fall and die. Giant trees falling leave large gaps, and young trees quickly grow to fill those spaces. Nutrients in the bark are never lost or wasted. Termites work diligently to regenerate the soil layer. Everything it provides is recycled through a system. New trees grow to fill the gap within a year or longer. The entire canopy is restored. Everything is used and reused. The need for food and living space leads to complex behaviors. Time and circumstances cause one ant species to harvest leaves to cultivate fungi. As they grow, fungi transform leaves into food for the ants. This relationship is fragile and one species cannot survive without the other. Such harmonious symbiosis can be seen throughout the forest, where some species depend on each other to survive, and all rely on trees. Now, we go back 2 million years. Monkeys, apes, and other primates have evolved diversely and adapted. They eat everything possible and move agilely on branches. Time traveling, we approach the present. About 10,000 years ago, humans had evolved and knew how to use trees in ways no other animal had. In the following 200 years, our tools changed and the demand for using trees increased significantly. Today, it is humans who have brought the greatest changes to tropical rainforests. Now, with tools that allow harvesting entire forests, we suddenly see the bigger picture. Now we examine the new ecological report on tropical rainforests. Daily, thousands of acres of forest are cleared for crops, livestock, and roads. With 40% of Earth's oxygen from forests, scientists worry about forest fires. As carbon contributes greatly to the greenhouse effect, 70% of pharmaceuticals in the US originate from forest plants. Everything depends on government response, which may improve or worsen. Environmental issues cross national borders, requiring full societal mobilization. "400 million years of evolution, and it takes only 4 minutes with machinery to fell a tree." Large trees in the forest are toppled along with the life they sustain. Unseen species are being pushed to the brink of extinction if deforestation continues in 50 years. These forests may disappear, taking with them the diverse and magnificent ecosystems. People need to understand the rapid changes we have caused across the planet. The area of tropical rainforests worldwide has significantly shrunk. Only a few primary forests remain for us to explore. Botanists, biologists, chemists, anthropologists, and those wanting to analyze forest ecosystems sometimes must travel thousands of miles on a small path, and such research does not have a major impact. Tropical forest area on Earth accounts for less than 7% of the land surface. Only in the last 50 to 100 years have we begun to understand the biological history of this place. We continue to research deeper. Over 90% of the world's species, such as ants, birds, mammals, plants, and insects, live in tropical forests. It is the richest biosphere on the planet. This is a story beginning 400 million years ago, all that time to form tropical rainforests. Imagine 50 years from now, we have learned much from nature and sometimes use it appropriately. Here, we are just a part of evolution, no better nor worse than insects. Time and evolution have given us conscience. We need to know what will happen and the consequences of our actions. We can understand why many species go extinct. We have tools, and that is wonderful. We have foresight, and the future is the moment we can change.
Curious? Subscribe and step through the next anomaly.